Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can see your subscriber list. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to your YouTube studio. As you can see, I have only one subscriber in the past 28 days because my channel is pretty small and I'm getting less views. So to check your subscriber count, all you have to do is go in your dashboard and go down, and if you see over here recent subscribers, so simply click on see all, and then you will see all the subscribers. But the thing with this is, as you can see on the top, it's mentioned only includes users who have made the subscription public. So who have made the subscription private, they won't be showing it over here, and there is no way you can get to know as to who have subscribed to your channel. And they also have this option like in the last 10 days who are your public subscriber, in the last 28 days, 90 days, and this is the lifetime one. So it's this simple to check your subscriber list. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.